I'm extremely excited. I have a lot of expectations out of it, and people who've seen the movie have really loved it. So I'm really looking forward to tonight.
What is the character of?
I play this girl called Reshma, who's a small town girl, comes to Mumbai to become an actor. Extremely ambitious girl. She wants a lot out of life, fame, name, money, और ये सब पाने के लिए वो कुछ भी कर सकती है. That's her basic role.
सिकंदर के साथ काम करके कैसा रहा?
जी बहुत अच्छा रहा. It was a lot of fun. He's very good at his work. He's very good at what he does. So it was a brilliant experience working with him.
क्या लगता है आपको ऑडियंस सिकंदर को कैसे एक्सेप्ट करेगी?
He's done really well, so I'm sure they should accept him in a nice way.
Thank you.
Thanks. Hi. We're doing something which is different, which is not the same run-of-the-mill stuff. So I guess that's why we're being noticed more.
Okay, आजकल के संस्कृति आजाद खान के सारे बॉलीवुड स्टार्स की जो ट्रेलर्स होते हैं संस्कृति उसमें ज़्यादातर बॉलीवुड स्टार्स